Okay, first things first, twins, let's see what we're dealing with. It's definitely gonna be a long day. Gotta have the right tools for the job. Industrial strength cleaner, heavy duty trash bags, and of course, my trusty scrub brush.
This is the hardest part, just getting rid of all the junk. But it's gotta be done.
Look at that, we're actually starting to see the floor. Small victories, people.
Ugh, this stain is not budging. Time to bring out the big guns.
Watch this dirt disappear.
Finally, some natural light. You can actually see the view now. Okay, the kitchen is definitely the worst part. I don't even want to know what's growing in here. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna be sick. Viewer discretion advised. Okay, I think I just conquered my biggest fear. That fridge is officially sanitized. These countertops are coming back to life. You can almost see your reflection in them. Look at that shine. This sink is ready for its close-up. All right, time to tackle the bathroom. Wish me luck. You don't want to see the before, but trust me, the after is much better. This power scrubber is a lifesaver. Say goodbye to grime. Now I can finally see myself. Hello, clean me.
Last room. Let's get this bedroom looking presentable.
Time to decide what stays and what goes. It's always harder than you think. Goodbye, dust bunnies. Hello, clean furniture.
This vacuum is my best friend right now, sucking up all the dirt and grime.
A made bed makes all the difference. So much more inviting. A little bit of greenery to brighten up the space. Check out this transformation. Can you believe it's the same room? From biohazard to beautiful, the kitchen is a miracle. The bathroom is sparkling. You could eat off the floor, but I wouldn't recommend it. The bedroom is now a peaceful sanctuary. Time for a nap.
Nothing beats relaxing in a clean space. It's so good for the soul.
Remember to always wear gloves and a mask, have the right tools, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty.
A clean living space is so important for your mental and physical health. Take care of your space, and it will take care of you.
You don't need expensive cleaners. Vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice can work wonders. I challenge you to clean one small area in your home today. Share your before and after photos with me.
We're all in this together. Let's support each other in creating cleaner and healthier homes.
Cleaning isn't always glamorous, but it's always an adventure. These are my go-to cleaning products. They make the job so much easier. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Let me know what cleaning challenges you want me to tackle next. From abandoned to amazing. Until next time, happy cleaning. Follow me on social media for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.